Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're simply going to add names, add items to a hash and remove items. So first of all, I've created a hash, and you create the hash with this sigil, and I've assigned a key and a value into the hash. So Dave 55, Sid 78, Paul 88. Now I've created a subroutine called remove item. That's the first thing we're going to do. So I'm going to print a message to the user. I'm going to be using standard input as well when we do this. And we tell the user to removing name. Well, actually I'm not using standard input on this particular one. I will on the next one when I add a name. Okay, so removing name here, and then we have a new line character. Then I'm going to tell it to sleep. Basically pause it for 1 second here. So it's going to pause for 1 second because I want to make it look like the program is working. Now I want to delete one of these items. So to do that, I simply type in delete. Okay. And then I'm going to do scalar names because I only want to delete one item from here. And then in brackets, I'm going to specify the item that I want to delete. So let's say I want to delete Sid from here. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array called names, and I'm going to load this hash into the array called names, and then I'm going to print it out. Names. Okay, now let's just call it. So we do that by calling it by its name. Remove item. Save it and run the program. So the item we want to remove is Sid. There we go. So we've removed the item. We've only got Paul left and Dave. Okay, so the next one we're going to do, let's just remove that. I'm going to call it add name. Simply add name, I'm going to call it. So I'll have to change that down there. So change that to add name here. So again, we print off to the user adding name. Okay, and then we do scalar names because we're adding one name here, and then we enter a name to add. So I'm just going to say something like Peter. The key and the value is going to be the age, so we give him an age. Let's say he's 100. He's a right old codger, is Peter. And he's going to go into our hash. Okay, and now I'm going to create an array called names. I'm going to enter that hash into it, and now I'm going to print off the new hash in the array names, new line. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Let's just run it. Okay, so adding name, so we've got Peter is in there and his age 100. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe now, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.